Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Hi, Emma. Hi, listeners. Today we're learning English at the coffee shop.
Yes, the topic is at the coffee shop, ordering coffee and drinks. This is very useful because many people visit coffee shops every day.
And coffee shops are great places to practice simple English.
Exactly. So let's begin. When you enter a coffee shop, you can say hello or hi. I'd like to order, please.
Repeat after us. Hello. I'd like to order, please.
The barista may ask, what would you like?
And you can answer, I'd like a coffee. I'd like a latte. I'd like a cappuccino.
Let's practice a simple conversation. Hello.
Hi. What would you like?
I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Great! Now, coffee shops have many drinks. You can ask, what drinks do you have?
Or, do you have iced coffee?
Repeat after us. What drinks do you have? Do you have iced coffee?
Let's do a conversation. Hi, what drinks do you have?
We have coffee, latte, cappuccino, tea, and iced coffee.
Great. Do you have iced coffee?
Yes, we do.
Perfect. I'll take one iced coffee.
You can also talk about sizes. Small, please. Medium, please. Large, please.
Repeat. Small, please. Medium, please. Large, please.
Let's do a size conversation.
I'd like an iced latte, please.
What size?
Medium, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, thank you. Many coffee shops ask about sugar and milk. They may say, do you want sugar? Do you want milk?
And you can answer, yes, please. No, thank you.
Repeat after us. Do you want sugar? Yes, please. No, thank you.
Let's do a full drink order with sugar and milk.
Hi, I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. Do you want sugar?
Yes, please.
Do you want milk?
No, thank you.
Here you go.
Great, thank you very much. Coffee shops also sell pastries and snacks. You can say, I'd like a muffin. I'd like a cookie. I'd like a sandwich.
Repeat. I'd like a muffin. I'd like a cookie. I'd like a sandwich.
Let's do a conversation with snacks. Hi, I'd like a latte and a muffin, please.
Sure. What size for the latte?
Large, please.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
You can also ask about flavors. Do you have vanilla? Do you have caramel? Do you have chocolate?
Repeat. Do you have vanilla? Do you have caramel? Do you have chocolate? Conversation time. Hi, do you have caramel latte?
Yes, we do.
Great. I'd like a caramel latte.
What size?
Medium, please.
Anything else?
Yes. One chocolate cookie, please.
Perfect. To ask about prices, you can say, how much is the coffee? How much is a latte? How much is this muffin?
Repeat. How much is the coffee? How much is a latte? How much is this muffin? Let's practice a price conversation. Excuse me, how much is the latte?
The latte is $4.
And how much is this muffin?
The muffin is $2.50.
Great. I'll take both.
Perfect. Sometimes people want to customize their drinks. You can say, can I have extra milk? Can I have less sugar? Can I have it hot? Can I have it iced?
Repeat after us. Can I have extra milk? Can I have less sugar? Can I have it hot? Can I have it iced? Let's do a conversation with customization. Hi. I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Sure. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Extra milk?
Yes, please.
Less sugar?
Yes. Less sugar.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Also, sometimes the barista asks for here or to go.
Repeat after us. For here. To go.
Example,
Hi. I'd like a coffee.
for here or to go.
To go, please.
Great. Here you go.
And now, let's do a full natural conversation in a coffee shop. Hello.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
I'd like a medium vanilla latte, please.
Sure. Hot or iced?
Iced, please.
Do you want sugar?
No sugar. Please.
Anything else?
Yes. A chocolate muffin, please.
Great choice. For here or to go?
To go, please.
Perfect. Your total is $7.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Wonderful. Today we learned ordering coffee and drinks, asking about sizes, asking about flavors, hot or iced, adding or removing sugar and milk, ordering snacks and pastries, asking about prices, for here or to go, and polite phrases in a coffee shop.
Very useful English for daily life.
Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.